Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in on Efootball mobile in just a few simple steps. Whether you are a beginner or coming back to the game, this guide will get you started in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open the Efootball mobile app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, download it, and then open it up. Once the app launches, you will see a screen with several login options. You can log in with your Konami ID, Google account, Apple ID, Facebook, or even play as a guest. I recommend linking your account for better security and to save your progress. Next, select your preferred login method and enter your account details. For example, if you are using a Konami ID, type in your email and password. If it's a social account, just tap the button and allow access. Sometimes you might be asked to verify your account. This could be through an email confirmation or a quick code sent to your phone. Just follow the instruction on the screen to complete this step. Once you are logged in, the game will load your data and you'll be taken to the main menu, and that's it. You're all set to dive into eFootball Mobile and start scoring some goals. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.